Hello, little bunnies. Look at that, little bunnies there. The mommy. Hello. 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 Going somewhere. Now how to jump. Hello. This one, not yet open the eyes. The other one is they're enjoying jumping around. Only 4 left now. Oh, coming to the mommy. Want to eat some pellets? You want some pellets? Hey, mommy. How's it taste, mommy? Enjoying. Oh, I think the other one want to eat something. Tasting that. Oh dear. What you doing, baby? The other one there is always walking around. Watching the new view. Ah, having a titi. This one is bigger than the other ones because those he's already opened eyes and already coming to the mommy, sucking the milk. Hey, what's happening? The other one's there. Not yet. Mommy, you must feed the other babies, huh? You must feed the other babies, okay? Your other babies. That's the titties. That's titties, and the mommy will go to the babies. You touch the titty. Come on. Hello, bunny. Hello. Oh. See that little baby there? He knows how to get them. That's the goodness. If their eyes is already open, you already see their mommy. They can give mommy a stress. Look at that. The goodness of these bunnies, when they get filled up, they just fall asleep. And they're like drunk. I don't step your baby. That's the problem with the other one. Died because the mommy stepped on the legs very hard. I was dislocated, and the baby did not really not really happy with that, so it passed. Happy bunny, happy tummy. Their tummy is filled now. Time to sleep. Good night, little bunnies. There's the other one there. Still sucking lilies. Alright. Oh, look at that. Enjoying the mommy's milk. The mommy doesn't like it anymore because they usually only 5 minutes to feed them. Yeah, these ones like to be hung around with the mommy. That two there, that little other bunnies there, their eyes are not fully open yet, especially the white one. I'm excited to see the eyes of the white one, which it says is usually red. She's a good mother, alright. It's just the old cage that where there are lots of predators around, rats, the big holes, and they're falling. This one is now anti-rat system. Look at that. See, the cage is fully metal. There, right, and there are other rabbits in here. Other ones there. Okay, it's male and female. Next time we're gonna transfer the female somewhere in here, the vacant one here. And for sure, when she get pregnant, because I get her to have a boom boom ready, so she'll get pregnant soon. And these ones I have to lock now, because the goodness of this, what I've done is around is metal. Okay, the framework, yeah, it's a wood, but it's surrounded with metal screen, and the iron sheet plain, as well as the roof and the side out there. So that's good. I've done it for how many days? Been working, but now I can see. Hello, little bunny. Hello. And the mommy, she don't have any problem with her little baby, protecting the little baby, because they're now in that safe place. Hello. Hello, little babies. Babies. Good morning. Good morning, little bunnies. That's it for now. Bye.